Good day, everyone. My name is Danang Setiaji, and today I would like to present about computers and computer hardware. Let's begin with the first part, which is understanding the computer. Okay, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data and performs tasks based on a set of instruction called programs. It helps us do many things faster, like typing documents, browsing the internet, or calculating numbers. Okay, History of the computer. Computers have gone through many changes over time. The first generation used vacuum tubes, and the second generation introduced transistors, which made computers smaller and faster. Then came the third generation with integrated circuits, and today we have modern computers using microprocessors, which are very powerful and compact. Okay, main components. The main components of a computer are the CPU, memory, and RAM. Storage devices like HDD and SSD and input-output devices. These parts work together so the computer can function properly. Okay, types of computers. There are many types of computers. Personal computers or PCs are common for home and office. Laptops are portable. Tablets are even smaller and more mobile. Servers are used in networks, and supercomputers are the fastest and most powerful. Okay, importance in daily life. Computers are very important in our daily life. We use them in education to learn, in work to do our jobs, in communication to connect with others, and for entertainment like watching videos or playing games. Okay, and the next slide is advantage of using computers. The first one is speed. Computers are fast and accurate. They can store a lot of information and they allow us to multitask, meaning we can do many things at once, like listening to music while working on document. And then disadvantage of using computers. There are also some disadvantage. Computers can be a target for cyber attacks, and they can also cause privacy issues, and using them too much can affect our health, like strain or bad posture. Okay, thank you. That is the end of the first part about computers. Thank you for listening, and now let's continue to the next part. What is the next part? The next part is computer hardware. Okay, computer hardware. Let's now talk about the second topic, which is computer hardware. What is hardware? Okay, hardware refers to the physical components of a computer that we can see and touch. This include devices like keyboard, screen, and the internal parts like the CPU. Okay, types of hardware. There are four main types of hardware. The first one is input device, output devices, processing devices, and storage devices. All of these work together in a system. Okay, in the next slide, input device. Input device allow us to enter data into the computer. Examples include the keyboard, mouse, scanner, and the microphone. And the one is output device. Output device show us the results after the computer processes data. Common example are monitor, printers, speakers, and projectors. And How hardware works together? Okay, all the hardware works together as a team. First, input device collect the data. The CPU processes it, and then RAM or read access memory helps access the data quickly. The storage saves the data, and output device show us the result. All parts communicate through the motherboard. Without this teamwork, the computer will not work properly. Okay, that is the end of my presentation about computers and computer hardware. Thank you very much for your attention.